Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Thank you everyone for participating in our program. Today we will have a live forum about the issue of human resource on the global technology area of Industry 4.0 and user are adapting to COVID-19. Okay, before we discuss the topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad AMIRRIZAL bin ROSDI. The moderator today, we have three panelists that will be together in our live forum. Okay, before we start, first of all, I want all of you introduce yourself.
Thank you for having me and inviting me in this forum as a first panel. Let me introduce myself first. My name is NURUL BINTI HAZMAN. My metric number is A20A1897.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is IQRAM HAQIM bin ZULKARNAI. Metric number A20A2296. Thanks for everyone and moderator inviting me as a second panel in these forums. I am very appreciated.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad DANISH bin ZAHARUDDin and my metric number is A21B2583. As the last person on the panel today, I hope we can have a great sharing season.
Okay, thank you everyone. So without hesitation, we can start this forum. Let's visit our forum begin. The topic issue is the global technology area of Industry 4.0 and user adapting to COVID-19. Our ladies and gentlemen, this purpose of gathering is to discuss about the user of global technology today, as will the acceptance of society, education, business, healthy, entertainment, social sector, and so on during COVID-19. Without wasting time, let's ask questions about the discussion of this topic. For first panel A, can you explain what you know for the contribution this and Industry 4.0 technology provide in resolving this problem and ensuring long-term effectiveness?
Thank you, Amir, for asking me. I will continue another question. What contribution does Industry 4.0 technology provide in resolving these problems and ensuring long-term effectiveness? My answer is according to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, Intelligent Industrial System, also known as cyber-physical systems, assure the integration of physical components with software for successful interaction between machine, plants, and entire supply chains. Smart factory systems employ highly special software and methods to integrate system operation with the digital environment, either vertically or horizontally. Vertical integration through an integrated framework, the Internet of Things and digital components enable access to production systems. Vertical integration may be controlled in highly disparate locations and the production flows integrated control aids top management in managing production at the company level. Other than that, horizontal integration is information technology, networks and production systems are connected for effective data and information exchange between machine, people and companies, which may be located in-house or in remote location along the supply chain. For improved production and planning goals, horizontal integration connects IT technologies with industrial process nuclear as autonomous control system. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for panel A, our point and implementation information detail. Okay, next we go to panel B. What you think for preparation of human resource manager when undergoing industrial technology 4.0?
Okay, thank you for our moderator. Okay, for that question, preparation is very important to ensure the smooth operation of organization in the success of the organization to take advantage of opportunities in industrial technology 4.0. There are three aspects that are given attention to undergo the issue of technology industry 4.0, namely organizational structure, system and infrastructure, and human beings. The organizational structure must be dynamic and flexible and tidy so that the organization can act agilely to deal with sometimes unexpected change. In addition, the organizational culture needs to be interspersed with technological change. For system and infrastructure, organization need to focus on green technology for the sustainability of human citizens, organization and the world. The internal infrastructure of the select organization should match with technological sophistication of industry 4.0. The infrastructure of the organization also need to take into account in user through the application of the concept of ergonomics in the work equipment, creating a harmonious working environment and adopting a healthy organizational approach. Finally, humans are the main pillars of the success in industry technology 4.0. Therefore, there must be individuals which bring human resource, which mental, emotional, physical and healthy strength. The citizens of the organization are able to increase the sustainability and competitiveness of the organization. That's all answer for this question. Thank you.
Okay, next for panel C, what you think for your opinion?
Thank you to our moderator. My opinion is that there are three sentences in the topic under discussion that are broad enough for us to discuss. Overall, the world today is going through a phase of technical development that has reached the phase of Industrial Revolution 4.0, where it is widely known that this fourth revolution is more focused on the development of technology centered on robots, the Internet of Things, and more. In essence, today industry is already completely utilizing robotic system in the operational side, with this operating system requiring only experienced human to operate. As a result, it appears that the responsibility on employers to constantly upgrade their abilities is increasing in order to keep them from working. The burden charged for tools that have no effect on the company profitability will not be incurred. Moving on the second term, COVID-19. By 2020, the COVID-19 virus had spread over the world, claiming millions of deaths as a result of infection. This also damaged its industry economic stability. When the virus spread, the whole community is frightened to venture out for fear of becoming infected. Furthermore, the mobility control order is eroding its individual freedom of movement. Work only takes place at home. As a precaution, all activities are restricted to the home area. This COVID-19 has a determinant impact not only on the country's economic sector, but also on global politics, as the producing countries are primarily concerned with sustaining their separate economy by imposing high pricing. This is leading the country to deteriorate in a number of ways. So the obvious correlation we have to see precisely again the Industry Revolution 4.0 and COVID-19 is that when the industry focus on using full robotic system and the COVID-19 pandemic occurs, what happened is the company downsizing as a cost-effective measure, and the only permanent is scale energy. Society lost employment, source of money, and finally the ability to purchase. When this purchasing power is gone, it has an impact on the country's economic pace. In conclusion, does the technology of the Industry Revolution 4.0 aid in progress? The answer is correct, but it simply serves to repair the economic operating system while failing to improve the overall state of global civilization. Many people are being laid off, firms are failing, inflation rates are rising, and so on. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for all. Back to our first panel A. Continue question about which major challenges can be resolved by Industry 4.0 technology. What do you think? Can you explain for your opinion?
Based on the topic, in my opinion, major challenge can be resolved by Industry 4.0 technologies is big data, analytics, and also cloud computing are two of the most popular digital planning technologies. As a result, big data technology aids in the discovery of patterns and important information. It improves trackability and traceability, offering customers more control over production and product, as well as better resource use. Cloud computing aids in making informed decisions. Furthermore, technologies such as system integration and Internet of Things enable business aid with system-level dependability as well as digital researching and logistics. Through autonomous robots and augmented reality, digital support system aid in the maintenance of operational excellence, AR, system integration technology, which facilitates communication between machine and nodes in supply chains, aided in the optimization of connected parameters. In the same way, a quick introduction to the modern equipment is presented. Technology specialists must examine the technology's ability to address COVID-19, induce difficulties in order to make better policy decisions. Okay, that's all for my opinion.
Thank you for your answer, panel A. Okay, next for the question. What the function of human resource management will in the industrial technology 4.0 based change? How about your answer, panel B? Can you explain?
For the answer on this question is management functionality has not undergone significant change but is more applied with a more optimal combination of computer technology and manpower. The function of human resource management must be based on environmental sustainability, adopting a green technology approach and technology-friendly Industry 4.0. Green human resource management is able to provide a competitive advantage to the organization through the improvement of its human resource commitment and togetherness to the sustainability of the business environment and nature. Among the functions of human resource management are: first, recruitment and selection. The selection of human resource focus more on skills based on the needs of Industry 4.0. The job market will be filled by highly skilled, creative and critically minded individual or workforce. The recruitment and selection function is a very influential human resource management function in the success of green organization management initiative. Second, training and development. Organizational human resource training and development needs to be implemented systematically and continuously to enhance the knowledge and skill of employees in the line of the introduction of Industry Technology 4.0. Knowledge and skill related to environmental sustainability and green technology should be emphasized and made the main content of the training and development programs. Management reward. The reward will be completely shift to the digital system. This will have an impact on the efficiency of its implementation. That efficiency will be achieved through the modules available in the Human Resource Management Information System (HRMIS). Performance management. The assessment of human resource performance will focus more on individual or groups achievement in innovation and technology. Performance evaluation criteria will also change to the individual or group's commitment to the success of automation technology. Last, occupational healthy. Industry Technology 4.0 requires green human resource. In particular, Industry Technology 4.0 requires the organization to have healthy human resource physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. So, human resource management must strive to help raise awareness of human resource to adopt a healthy lifestyle. That's all from me.
Okay, for the last question to panel C, can you explain detail what do you think about this?
Okay, answer for this question. The COVID-19 pandemic has severely affected all aspects of the industry in Malaysia. From an economic point of view, the country has to use savings to continue to help the people because the national spending rate is greater than the national income rate, which causes the deficit. It can be seen to the high unemployment rate and the value in ringgit Malaysia against the USD dollar. In 2019, Malaysia unemployment rate is 3.3%, meaning there are 508,200 unemployed individuals. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a serious impact on the Malaysian economy. Meanwhile, no matter how big or small the company, everything was so badly affected that the layoff process had to be done. This can be seen when the AirAsia, which is the world's leading airline, had to lay off its employees. Related to the aviation and tourism business suffer hard losses. This can be shown by comparing the unemployment rate in Malaysia. In January 2020, the unemployment rate was 3.2%, but there was a continuous increasing in the unemployment rate until May 2020 and reached 5.3%. On the other hand, the relative level of economic health can be determined by the foreign exchange rate. This is because the foreign exchange rate plays a fundamental role in a country level of trade. Malaysia exchange rate for March 2019 is 4 ringgit 8 sen in exchange for $1, and it has depreciated to 4 ringgit 26 sen in exchange for $1 in July 2020. This will impact almost all the sectors, especially the manufacturing sector in Malaysia, as most of the machineries are imported from China and Japan. Weakened currency adversely affect the purchasing power of Malaysian ringgit, as more Malaysian ringgit is required to exchange for the $. This means that living standard of citizens in Malaysia decrease due to lower purchasing power.
Okay, thank you for last panel and all your answer, their respective opinion. For the conclusion, is our topic can get is technology industry 4.0 provide an automatic solution to various manufacturing industry and other related areas. This consists of various manufacturing and digital information technology to collect, transfer, store, analyze, and proper monitor information system. Digital technology provide an innovative method for the proper isolation of the affected patient to reduce the high risk of mortality, speeding up the drug manufacturing, treatment process, and care. By the application of this technology, people are working from home. They are discovering new office culture, work timing, virtual office, virtual meeting, and intensive working communication. Industry 4.0 has capabilities of remote operating using smart technology, which is helpful for COVID-19 outbreak. This revolution speeds up the digital transformation with better crowd management, transportation management, and safety of public.